Hey everybody, here's an unboxing video of my newly obtained 45th anniversary limited edition picture disc version of Rock and Roll Over. This was sold out for a long time and somehow it popped up on one of the Rare Waves websites and on eBay, and I purchased it. So I had to jump at it. So just opening it up, and first thing that comes out is this beautiful lenticular reproduction of Rock and Roll Over. Look at that. It really looks great. It really looks great. This video isn't going to do it justice, but the lenticular cover is going to look great mounted somewhere along my Kiss wall. So it's got a home. It's gonna have a home. I just have to find the right spot. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And well, we've got Ace there shooting his eye beams, and he's been shooting his mouth off lately. So that's pretty funny. But yeah, here's the lenticular cover. And oops, I just knocked over Gene. Sorry, Gene. But here's the reproduction of the original disc cover, the inner sleeve. And, I'm just going to handle this with my fingers because it's a picture disc and this is more for playing and not for sound quality. But damn, look at that. My first view. Holy crap, it's beautiful. It looks so cool. It looks so damn cool. Wow. Wow, now, this is not going to be something, this is not going to be a player copy. This is purely for visual enjoyment. And yeah, it looks spectacular. I mean, it's done very well. And the back is the inner sleeve. So yeah, this is really cool. The lenticular cover over here is super cool. Put those two together, and here's the record. Looks fantastic. Great job as usual. The Kiss collectibles market is they usually charge a lot for their for their box sets and deluxe editions. But if you're a fan, they do a really great job of making it worth the money. I mean, maybe not worth the money, but more like, ooh, a sticker. This sticker comes out in 4 pieces, apparently. Not sure where this is going to be put, but this is damn cool also because this is just a fantastic cover and it just needs to be celebrated. And, the music speaks for itself. A lot of great tracks on this record. I'm not even going to talk about that. And I'm not going to even care about sound quality here. But, the most important thing is that this thing looks cooler than heck. And I'm glad I bought it. It was about $55 on eBay, Rare Waves USA website. But it's too damn cool. So just another little addition to the Kiss collection that I have going here. So thanks everybody for listening.